Hey y'all, welcome back to the House of Organic Beauty. Here I'm going to make like a little ninja bun using no scrunchie at all. Okay, so barely brushing, but it's okay. So my hair is blown. I blew it out a week ago. So this is the final look. It's very cute. I had that. I'll add it to the back. Should I add it to the back? It's so weird. Does it look good? Can't really tell how long my hair is. I'm gonna make it lower. Take some time. Make it towards the middle. Bruh. This side look okay, but this side, I don't know. I'm gonna just make it low. I can't. Okay, Joanna, chill. Relax, 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 okay. I want it low. Let's try it again. I did it so perfect yesterday. Last night when I was going to sleep, effortless. Why this not tripping? See, the sad part is I do hair right, but when it comes to your own hair, you be struggling. Right. Let me show you. It's ridiculous. How you do this? What is this? My neck hurt and my arms hurt. Bother me. Should just look at it all. Okay, I didn't want to comb out my hair, but I think I may have to. But the comb is on the other side of the house, so I'm kind of stuck here. But yeah, so I'm like, oh, let me see if my hair grew, and it did. It did really grow. So I'm like, okay. But I mainly did it because not to see the length per se, but just to get manageability. I get very busy, and I feel as though like I don't have to like worry about combing my hair or anything like that when I have my hair blown out. But now I still know what to do. It's like, because I don't like combing my hair out too much. Low manipulation is my key, you know. I'm gonna just do this. And I have to moisturize it. So if I moisturize it, it's gonna revert. Most of my hair supplies, hair products are in my travel bag. my hair traveling bag. And that bag is way on the other side of the house. Okay, I don't have a big house, but still, I don't feel like going, I don't know, no, I'm not, no. So what we're gonna do is use this oil, give in, because my hair's a little dry, I'm not gonna lie to you. I'm just gonna do a little bun. Screw that high bun. So twist it. What a scrunchie at, bro. I'm hyperventilating. I have to use this hard behind brush. See, I just use it on the side because this thing is hard. And the main reason I'm not using gel, because I don't want, because once I use gel, my edges will like be too laid, and when I want to manipulate my hair, like when I want to do other styles with my hair, then this part, I would have to wash this part off, and that's, no, I won't do all that. Unless if I'm going to, like, if I'm going to wash my hair maybe Sunday, then I would gel this part, like my edges down, and then I wouldn't mind. I'll just stick to like this one style for just 3 days or something. But today is Thursday, by the way. So you just do that. It might be ugly, huh? I don't know what to tell you. And then take my edge snatcher brush. Like, why they make brushes this hard, dude? Take my edge snatcher. Okay. And now, I have this. Good. That up bun was gonna, the high bun was gonna look cute, but oh well. I have to go. Okay, and then final looks later, maybe. Alright guys, thanks for watching, and you guys have a blessed one, okay? Make sure you like, comment, ding, subscribe, and do the bell, okay? And as always, be blessed.